What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel where we cover everything crypto related, web3 related, all the hottest and newest projects in the crypto space. If it has that hype, if it has that potential, we're going to be covering it on the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out Chitcat. I saw it on Dex Tools going absolutely insane. Should have covered it a bit earlier, you know, so you guys could have had a much better entry on it. It's sitting at $5 million in market cap, but it has been making a lot of noise, okay? Has been making a lot of noise. We're going to dive into it. Always be aware, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Chitcat is a decentralized messaging app that utilizes blockchain technology and the IBC protocol to offer secure communication solutions. As digital technology is now the primary means of real-time communication, people rely on messaging applications to connect with others. With Chitcat, users can communicate with others in a secure and decentralized environment. You can enter the Dapp and they also have staking. Welcome to our Dapp. Add the recipient address you want to message. So Chitcat is basically decentralized Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Guys, if that's not bullish, I don't know what to tell you. You could type and send messages. You could when you receive the message, it will be visible, and all of this is decentralized. If you have, you know, some conversations that you don't want the government, the people that are stealing our data every day. We see on TikTok how there was a huge law dispute, court case with you know, TikTok and, you know, China and other countries stealing Americans' data. It is happening on a consistent basis, and with Chitcat, you wouldn't have to worry about that, guys. They also have this username set up. So instead of having, you know, 0x and all the numbers that you have to send to each other, you could send and reply to each other through a username on your MetaMask wallet, right? That is super bullish. I'm just gonna take a quick peep at the Dapp. Okay, so you have to actually connect to your wallet to set it up, but it has loaded. So you could chat, you could call, you could contact, direct, group. I'm gonna keep getting this pop-up, aren't I? That's fine. But as you guys can see, it's the setup right here. It's pretty straightforward, you know, and you know, pretty awesome to see. So you connect to MetaMask, then you could chat and receive messages and call, contact each other. That is a very bullish utility, and this is probably why Chitcat has been taking off the way it has. I am super upset I didn't cover this earlier to give you, you know, so you guys could have a much better entry on it. But with the use case that it has, it could potentially go even further in the future. 10 million tokens in supply, 0% buy tax, 3% sell tax, which is used for buyback and marketing. You know, pretty much straight to the point. It is a cat character. We haven't had any cat characters in the crypto space that have blown up yet. You know, we see a lot of dogs now. Recently, because of Pepe, we see frogs. We need some cats to shine. Chitcat could be one of those projects. It's at, like I said, it's at 5.23 million, and who knows, it could go a 10x, 100x from here. Can't rule it out, guys. Remember though, never invest more than you're willing to lose, because these projects still high risk, high reward, right? Always high risk, high reward when you're dealing with crypto, and you know, projects like these have more risk, but this project actually has utility. It actually has a use case. So if the community and the team delivers and more users use the application, the Dapp of the Chitcat, you know, social media platform, decentralized social media platform, we could see even more of an explosion with the project. Chitcat released partnerships, CEX listings for the phase 4 white paper 2.0, AMAs, and new marketing. Guys, I'm telling you, sign in, stay in touch with Chitcat. I like what I see, man. I'm bullish on Chitcat. 2,900 followers on Twitter, very active tweets, social media engagement through the roof. Travlad, gotta give Travlad a follow, man. turn on my notifications, because he has been calling these projects pretty early. Chitcat. Now this is the thing right here. If I saw this call, gotta be more aware. If I saw Travlad's call at 600k market cap and I researched and I saw what Chitcat was and I saw the use case, instantly I would have made a video and put it on to you guys, so I could be a lot earlier. So all of us could be a lot earlier in some of these projects. But as we can see right here, you see that we have a bunch of likes and retweets, hundreds of likes, hundreds of retweets, influencers making videos. Great stuff, man. Absolutely great stuff that we're seeing here. It was in CMC trending recently, as you guys could see, right up there with Ladies, Pepe, Arbitrum, Sui Network, right up there trending. And it, like I said, it has utility and use case, so the future of the project could be bright. But as always, never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you hold Chitcat, let me get your thoughts down in the comments section. What do you like about the project? What do you don't like? What could they improve? What other projects would you like me to check out as well? Let me know down below. And always, guys, stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.